I got my new fridge. It's a little small inside of it. It's a little small, but I can work around it or something. It's a little small. I didn't like inside of it. It's a little small. The other one was much bigger inside of it, but I can work around it. I can work around it. Okay. Sí, 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 sí. Chileno, este es mi nuevo refrigerador. Nuevo refrigerador un poco chico adentro, pero puedo trabajar con el refrigerador nuevo. Sí, es chico adentro. Ok, hasta luego. Jesse Deck from everywhere. YouTube, whatever. Love you. My new fridge is here. Everything's good now. Blah, blah, blah. Funny, I had to do this video or reaction, whatever. Blah, blah. Bye.